Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to learn how to set up a YouTube ad using Google AdWords. So first off, we're going to head over to ads.google.com/home and then we're going to click on this, Start Now. Now this page automatically directed me to the video sign up campaign page, so I'm going to insert the details here. First, I'm going to insert the URL of our video. As you can see that on the thumbnail that this is our video. So now we're going to select the placement of our ad. Automatically played before other YouTube videos or as a thumbnail next to related videos. So the best way to grab someone's attention is to present your material before any other video. So we're going to click on this. Now the next question is, where do you want your ad to appear? So we're going to target not only YouTube but other Google video partner sites as well. So we're going to leave this as it is. And now, after viewers click your ad, where do you want to send them? Here we can insert the URL of our website. So we're going to just insert the URL of our website here. Click on Continue. Now the first section is done. Now we need to decide the locations or the demographics of the targeted audience. So we're targeting Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm going to insert the details here. Okay. Now we're going to insert the languages that we're going to be deciding for our targeted audience. So we're going to use English. As you can see that English is already selected, so we're just going to click on Continue. Now, another section that we're going to work on is the demographic. Since we made it pretty clear that our video is safe for any age group and any gender, so we're going to leave this section as it is. And customer intent. Keep customer intent as broad as possible. We don't have any specific actions with this video since it is a demo video. We're going to click on Continue. Now the last section is the budget. And by that, it is decided that how much we're willing to pay for this video. So we're just going to, let's say that we're gonna go for $10. And that's it. That's how you can decide the currency and also the amount that you're willing to pay for this video and the campaign. And then you'll click on Continue to Billing. And here you can see that you can insert your billing information, your card details, the locality and all the other billing information here, and you can just click on Submit. And that'll be the last step to setting up your video campaign, and it's that easy. So go ahead and do it for yourself.